for southeastern Marion, northeastern Lucas, and western Monroe counties. At 5:11 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 10 miles southeast of Melcher, Dallas, or 12 miles south of Knoxville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Albee around 5:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hamilton, Marysville, and Lovelock. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Lucas, Marion, and Monroe.
This is NOAA Hazards Weather Radio Station WX.